Good morning, everybody. I'm now dressed and ready for the snow. I will not get snow into my boots this morning. This is my ski outfit. Yes, we go skiing. I'll take you guys for a walk through the house first, so you can kind of see, or maybe not see, what it looks like outside. Let's see. There you can see outside in the front. Remember the benches that I've been showing you? They're completely buried. I can't not open the door. We are completely snowed shut in. But that pile of snow is what was the what is that? Hose thing. Anyways, but that's what it looks like out the front. Oh my gosh, somebody's actually driving. Okay, now I will walk you through here. Excuse our mess. Anyways, let's see. Here is out the window. Hi, Patty. Across the street in the land of snow. I don't know if you can see. It's so hard to see anything because it's like all white. It's like,
Mom, come over here. Look where the start is snow blowing. You can really see like a wall.
okay, and there's Art. He's out snow blowing. See? I knew Lee should have gotten me a Super Mongo snowblower. Oh my gosh, he's snow blowing his driveway, but I don't know. It looks like there's like maybe 2 feet to 3 feet of snow
And
over there at the end of his driveway.
oh my gosh.
That's just incredible. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's go to the back.
Our poor little green guy.
And our poor little green guy. Here is out our kitchen window. You can see the neighbor's house and all the bushes. And over that way, big evergreen tree laden down with snow. Alright, let's go towards the back. Our poor screen porch is covered in snow. We should have put plastic up, I guess. But, whatever. Hello. That's what happens when you don't take care of stuff like you're supposed to.
And then we have one door
And
that
then-
actually can open.
This is our bedroom. Okay, this is out. Say hi to Thumper.
He's a thumper rabbit. Mr. Thumpers.
Can you imagine you out in the snow? You would just go poof. You would just be nowhere.
Oh, we can open this door.
Alright, there's the swing set, if you can see it. It's hard to... Here. Hey, that'll help. Ugh. As I wipe, it's like getting worse. The swing set, I can't see right now, but
It
it's covered.
buried.
The tower that my husband made is covered. I would have to say that's about a good 4-foot drift out in the very front. So there's that. Shall we open up the garage door now?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Okay, now we can start venturing outside. Alright, I hope the garage door opens. Let's see. Is it going to open? Okay, here we go. Oh my gosh! Holy cow! There it is. That is the garage. Oh my gosh! How am I going to get over this? Oh my... Ah! Holy cow. Okay, I will try to climb over the snow. Ah! Here, Elizabeth, hold that and let them see me. Here I... Ta-da! Oh my gosh. Holy cow. Here, okay.
Here's your camera back.
Alright, what? Go ahead, go get dressed. Oh my gosh. I am like, I don't know. Ugh! I'm gonna get stuck. Honestly, the snow is like, I'm only 5 feet tall. we're going to need to have a plow come in here. There's no way we could shovel this. Honestly. Holy cow. Honest to God, we have a 4-foot drift here for our, by our street. There is absolutely no way we can shovel out of this. There's just no way. There's absolutely no way. Okay. So, well, I'm kind of cold and I'm kind of tired and I'm gonna try to get my way back over here to the garage. But there it is. Bye. Oh, I'm so... You're supposed to turn off. What are you, frozen?